Assalamu alaikum. Dear brothers and sisters, today I am going to discuss about parenting ideas, which I believe every parent should know. Our children are an amana from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The best gift we can give our children is a proper upbringing. But as parent, we all agree that parenting is not so easy or simple. On top, each child is different, making our jobs as parent even more harder. Parenting really is the hardest job ever. So, what effective approach can parents follow to upbring children who can be successful in this world and next? So, today I am going to discuss few parenting tips which I realize Islam has provided some wonderful guidelines for parents in order to raise our children. There is a hadith that play with them for the first 7 years, then teach them for the next 7 years, then advise them for the next 7 years. The above hadith of the Prophet ﷺ gives us the guidance to divide the upbringing of a child into three stages. Stage number one, the first 7 years. Play with them. This is the time to let the child play but roll up the parenting sleeves to build a strong connection to our child. These are the formation years when a child is constantly influenced by the surroundings and learn by observing. Children observe their parents more than anyone. If you find any undesired behavior in your child, check if your spouse, or caregiver has acted similarly in front of your child. These are the foundation years, the base from which the relationship with them grows. If this rock solid, the remaining years will be much easier. And if this foundation forms poorly, the next years will be more challenging. Number two, the next 7 years. Teach them. Once children reach 7, they are ready for logical reasoning and Islamic ethics. This is the time when children are sponges, ready to soak up everything and anything you show, teach, and tell them. The second stage of upbringing is the time to teach them secular and religious knowledge, halal versus haram, and all the things they need to know. Teach them sports also. Prophet Muhammad said, "Teach your children swimming and horseback riding, so teach them sports also." Sports have many benefits, including teamwork, leadership, and physical fitness also. At this stage, children are young and they are still in the process of learning what is right and what is wrong. It is parents' responsibility to teach the child how to behave, how to choose his environment. As parent, set rules and boundaries for everyone in the family, including yourself, and take care of your child to explain why they must obey them. Children love logical reasoning, so let them ask questions while you calmly explain it. The third is the final 7 years. Advise them. Once your child hits 14, this is the time when children achieve independence and they develop their own personality. During these critical years, befriend them, advise them, and do what you can. Understand that they are now full adults according to Islam and the choices are theirs to make right or wrong. As parent, our responsibility is to advise them only. I sincerely pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guides each of us to establish a trusting relationship with our children and we be their trusted confidant, that advisor, maybe even that cool mom or dad who they adore. I pray for a close, loving, happy, and fulfilling relationship with our children for all the days in our lives and to be united with them in Jannatul Firdaus. Ameen. If you like this talk, then do share and also comment about your parenting ideas. Thank you.